I think it's interesting because I started the organization because there was nothing out there. I have continued the organization and had sort of a renewed sense of urgency to our work because there's some people are trained very, very well in A.B.A. and they're able to generalize it across settings and they're able to, kind of insert A.B.A. into everyday interactions. And some people have attended a 2-day workshop created by a well-meaning person and said, I'm now trained in A.B.A. And I think what ends up happening, especially in other countries, this happens all the time. I call them drive-by trainings. It's like you don't even know who you shot, or they're sometimes called spray and pray, and it's such a dangerous and inefficient way. And it just perpetuates the idea that A.B.A. is terrible, because terrible A.B.A. is not good, and I think that, unfortunately, it's something that people learn in all different places in all different ways, and that's part of why we're building the university programs in connection with the practicum sites, because without that real world experience and learning different applications of A.B.A., you're not going to do it well, and I think that it is something that I have been deeply interested in, and it's, I think we all should be. And I think that in some ways I really welcome it, because I think that skepticism and that the controversy around it, because it just forces us to make sure that we're doing better. We're being judged harshly right now. We really are. And I'm okay with that. Judge us harshly. I think that give us the opportunity to really show that this is effective. Also, I firmly believe that in any judgment, in any feedback, learn from it, whatever it is. I'm not one of these people who just writes it all off and say, okay, what is it about this that you don't like? Go on, yes, and, to really learn from people on either side, so.